In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn images into videos using Grok AI. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly how to take a single still image and have Grok bring it to life as a short video clip using a simple prompt and just a few clicks. Start by opening your Grok account in your browser. Once you're in, look toward the top of the interface and click the Imagine workspace. This is the creative area designed for turning your ideas, and in this case, your image, into dynamic visuals. Next, add your image. Click the image upload icon to bring your file into the project. You'll typically find this near the prompt area or media tray. Choose a clear, well-lit image for the best results. Sharper details and good contrast help the AI understand what to emphasize when it animates. After you select the file, give it a moment to upload and appear on the canvas. Now it's time to guide the model with a prompt. In the prompt field, type what you want the video to accomplish, such as promote this product. Keep your wording direct and intentional. If it's a promotional clip, mention the mood or style you want, like upbeat, modern, or minimalist. You can include the kind of motion you're imagining, subtle zooms, gentle pans, or a dynamic product reveal, and the overall tone, for example, confident and polished. The goal is clarity. The more specific your intent, the more aligned the animation will be with your vision, without overcomplicating the request. With your image added and your prompt in place, look to the left side of the interface and select Video. This tells Grok to generate a moving clip rather than a static output. As soon as you select Video, the system will begin processing. Be patient here. Generation time can vary based on your prompt and the current server load. You'll see progress indicators while it works. Avoid navigating away during this stage so the render can complete smoothly. When the generation finishes, a preview of your video will appear. Take a moment to watch it from start to finish. If the motion and mood match your intent, great. You've successfully transformed your image into a video using Grok AI. If you plan to refine it, remember that small prompt adjustments often make a big difference. Tighten your description, clarify the style, or nudge the motion direction. That's the complete process. Open your Grok account, click Imagine, add your image, write a clear prompt like promote this product, select video on the left, and let Grok generate the clip while you wait.